I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust caster on Hilux step by step. Start by parking on level ground, chalking the wheels, and supporting the truck on jack stands. Gather tools: breaker bar, socket set, torque wrench, caster adjustment bolts, and a helper if possible. Measure current caster with a gauge or by toe and camber method, record the numbers, and mark alignment points to guide the adjustments precisely and safely. Warm up the suspension slightly by rolling the vehicle a few inches to relieve tension on the bolts. Then loosen the upper control arm bolts, just enough to allow movement. Clear any splash shields and debris so you can reach the caster adjustment slot or eccentric cam easily. Note bolt positions and take photos if needed to ensure accurate reassembly and consistent alignment reference when you adjust and torque everything back to spec. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so we can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: I've been using these leak-proof meal prep containers. They're great for busy shop days and keeping lunches tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make small incremental turns on the caster adjustment bolts, checking your measurements after each change so you don't overcorrect. Aim for consistent increments, then torque the control arm bolts to the recommended values once the caster reads correctly. Test by gently rolling the vehicle and remeasuring to confirm alignment, and if needed, repeat adjustments until the left and right sides are balanced for straight steering and stable high-speed tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.